everyone. Welcome to the last week of Health Safety Nutrition. I put the study guide up earlier this weekend. I'm sorry I didn't get up the exam sooner. I'm just opening it up now. It needs to be complete by Friday at midnight. If you can do that, if you need an extension, I can handle those as they come in, just because we have to get grades in. So just let me know what I can do to help. Here's the test. Just click on it and get started. Just the one thing to note on it is once you sit down, you'll have to do it in one sitting. It's not timed, but it's not one that you can take more than once. You have to, once you open it, you have to do it until you close it. There are some times that there's glitches with exams. If that happens to you, let me know so that I can help you out. I just have to tell you that some of you know about what's going on, but my father passed away on Friday night, and so it's been a little bit of a hard week, which is why I didn't get the exam open sooner. So I apologize for that. I hope you guys have a fantastic summer. Thanks for everything.